Okay, so continuing with our book titled Life on the Savanna, we already went over problem number 1, which was there was not enough water. So they had lots of solutions. Problem number 2 is there's no green plants. We talked about that with the giraffe. It says many animals on the savanna want green plants to eat. What will they do? So let's start with some solutions. Solution number 1, they eat what they can. Zebras can eat the brown grass. Most animals can't. That's interesting. So when all the grass is green, lots of animals eat it. When it turns to brown, most of them can't eat it, except the zebras. Solution number 2, they migrate. We talked about that word migrate when we were learning about birds. Migrate means to move to another place. So many giraffes will migrate where there are more trees. So here's Africa, where all the African savannas are. And you see the blue arrows, it means that they might go from up here and walk all the way to this part of Africa. So it's showing you, look at, here's all the brown grass, and they are moving and walking as far as they can until they find green grass and trees with leaves at the top. There's the acacia trees. The giraffes will move to where there are still green plants to eat. Solution number 3, just don't eat. Brumation. When animals leave, crocodiles don't have anything to eat. Remember, crocodiles, those are the carnivores. They are meat eaters. So if these animals go away, they have nothing. But crocodiles can live for months without eating. Can you imagine that? Mrs. Garrett would be way too hungry. Ooh, problem number 3, lots of fires. So thunderstorms, think about the big flashes of lightning. That can cause a fire. Thunderstorms and brown, dead plants cause fires in the dry season. So nothing is wet because there's not a lot of rain. So fires start very easily. The solution would be to go underground. That's solution number 1. Look at these cute little meerkats. They dig a hole and then down they go. And they've got lots of tunnels and paths and other ways for their little neighborhoods are underground. Some animals go under the ground to get away from the fires. Some plants go underground too. Really? The stem of the grass hides deep underground so fires don't get it. Now look closely at that. That's called a rhizome. And a rhizome, you can see the green part. That's where the stem is. And it goes way underground. So no matter what fire's happening up top, it won't die because the stem is so low. Fascinating. Solution number 2, be fire resistant. This tree, right here, has a special kind of bark that stops the fire. Wow, that's amazing. Oh, this is a cool picture. Soon the rain will come and the plants will grow back. The savanna will be full of life. You see those big rain clouds at the top? All the animals are coming back. What color do you notice that the grass is right now? Green, that's right. All the animals are excited to go back. And that's the food web. We'll talk about that later on. Bye.